The AgiiMan Electric Pressure Washer delivers an outstanding cleaning performance with its powerful 4,800 pounds per square inch pressure and 3.2 gallons per minute water flow. Equipped with a robust 1,600-watt copper core motor, this pressure washer can effortlessly tackle tough dirt and grime on a variety of surfaces. The 20-foot pressure hose and 35-foot power cord provide ample reach, making it easy to clean even the most hard-to-reach areas. This pressure washer comes with 4 different nozzles and a soap bottle, allowing you to adjust the pressure and soap application to suit any cleaning task. For added safety, it features a total stop system that automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is released, along with a safety lock to prevent accidental activation. AgiiMan offers professional customer service, ensuring any issues are promptly addressed within 24 hours to guarantee customer satisfaction.